please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Every time I came across some funny looking acorns or a bird nest that fell out of a tree or some dead insect or a bee or a wasp nest, this is a hornet nest here, and I've got a butterfly, I've got a carpenter bee, I've got some beetles. Every time I can find something that's interesting like that, that's natural, I have to collect it. And I've been collecting these, and I've had them in a bookshelf for about, I don't know, 5 or 6 years, and I finally came up with the idea to do something with them. So I'm going to show you how I make this little structure, this sculpture. It's a one-of-a-kind piece, and I'm really happy to be able to enjoy all of my special natural gifts that I found along the way. I should add that some of these items I didn't find myself, that once my friends found out that I had a little collection of these, they would find them in their own gardens or while they're walking in the woods, and they would bring them to me. So the ones that I can remember that have gifted me these items have been Jackie and Najiba. So thank you very much for bringing me your wasp nests. I'd also like to thank my friend Marie-Pierre because she brought me this beautiful beetle of some kind, and it's just amazing. I already had one. I think one of them's like a female, one's a male. I can't remember which one she brought me. And my friend Manuèle also brought me her mother's plant, which was a physalis, and as the flowers dry on it, it's absolutely amazing. So you'll see that at the end of the video. I'll put a description below of all of the names of the insects as I can find them. So if anyone has any comments to make about this, please go ahead and write your comments. Do you like it? Do you detest it? What is your favorite part of it? Would you do something like this? Would you display it in your home? Are you afraid of bugs, etc., etc.? Just to keep in mind though, everything here has been found. I haven't killed anything. Everything was found already dead, and I just wanted to honor it. And as I saw it on the ground, and I thought I just don't want to throw it away. So I hope that you agree with me, and I hope you enjoy this video. Check out the short video link here about my carpenter bee. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.